2,000 years later.
I don't think you listen. Better believe it, better receive it. I am you, only me and you. Yep. So what if it falls down? Maybe that's what the acrylic sheet is for. So that when I'm done, I can put it here. And I'm done. Okay. Oh, there, Joe.
Today we're looking at the shortest book in the New Testament. It's a letter, and in the original language, which was Greek, this letter is only 219 words. That means it's actually shorter than most chapters in the New Testament. After all, it's hard to say a lot in so few words. In some ways, it's actually the most everyday, normal thing that we have in the New Testament. I say that because most letters in the ancient world were short, just like this one, short and simple. You may not realize it, but most of the letters in the New Testament are very strange. They're some of the longest letters that we have from the ancient world. So I'm grateful that we have this short letter. It's an ordinary slice of life from the early church. In this letter, you'll see that John, who calls himself the elder, that he's applying many of the themes we've already explored in 1st and 2nd John. He talks about love, righteousness, and false teaching. And so this letter is a simple, real-world, pastoral application of the sermon recorded in 1 John. This is what love lived out in the church really looks like. And as you'll see, it's not entirely a rosy picture. Church life is messy, but it's a messiness that you've been called into. Here's the letter, written to a house church leader named Gaius, 3 John. The elder, to my dear friend Gaius, whom I love in the truth. Dear friend, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. It gave me great joy when some believers came and testified about your faithfulness to the truth, telling how you continue to walk in it. I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. Dear friend, you are faithful in what you are doing for the brothers and sisters, even though they're strangers to you. They have told the church about your love. Please send them on their way in a manner that honors God. It was for the sake of the name. He's talking about Jesus.